started snowing about a quarter mile back. So this is gonna be good. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You are here. So let's see.
That's cool.
Yeah. You gonna shoot the gap?
You should stay above it now.
Cheers to the smell.
Sugar.
A lot of it.
Yay.
Find your password.
No. Me too. End of the season. Looks a little wet out there, huh?
Yeah. Been that way for days now.
Has it?
Yep.
Mm,
Heavy snow, but good.
good.
I like it.
Yeah.
Have to have your legs better be in shape to handle it, but otherwise, been good skiing.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Test it out. I think my legs are in shape to handle it. What do you
It's
think
been a
about
good
your
season.
legs? Yeah.
It's been a really good season.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that. Oh, man. So it's pretty heavy.
Have you been down Exterminator by any chance?
Not today.
It's something
But
I
you
want to do.
you better really know where you're going coming down it, because they're at the break here, between kind of the flatter spot
Yeah.
to come into lower E. It's all there is the new snow on top of rocks and stumps and stuff.
But I won't
There
try
really
today.
isn't enough to ski there.
I did it
Yep.
once
It looks
in early
like
March,
Yeah.
and for it to work for me, I need to not sink in too much. So it would need to have been skied over enough today.
Yeah,
Um,
and
you
this hasn't been, because
Okay.
most people, we're avoiding it for that reason. You can see all the bare patches as it is, but even where it's not bare,
Okay.
it's just the new snow that's there, and you're going to go right through and hit the whatever's underneath. And it's too bad because it would ski good. But then again, you can see the slides they've had today over there. I mean, they've had some pretty big ones
Oh, that's a slide.
come off there.
Sun feels warm though, you know that?
Yeah.
Definitely should have invested in some signs.
Yeah. I have some in my Jeep, I just didn't bring them.
Yeah, mine are in the Mini.
Huh?
Out of the bag.
I don't see any drips. Yeah, it's too bad we can't see Mount Rainier today.
Oh my lord.
Well, that's great.
She was smoking in here.
Just a little bit.
Hopefully we don't come up hot on our
Yeah.
test.
Oh, I start to feel very relaxed and hungry.
Oh, I'm so hungry on the way down.
Let's have chips.
I know we're not supposed to stand too, but at least it's not gonna leave a residue.